Hello and welcome to the Messed Up. In this quick video, we are going to tell you about the top 5 channels that you must know if you are into the electronics. Electronics is where we work from little tiny projects on breadboards to the advanced robotics. So if you want to be pro in your field, you really have to stand out from the crowd. In our list of channels, few of them post really cool tutorials and do-it-yourself projects, and some of them will keep you in trend. And don't miss our recommendation number 1. It's really great. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and let's start the countdown. Number 5 is the Ben Hacks channel. This channel have more than 94k subscribers. Most of the time this guy spends his on building stuff, breaking stuff and also reviewing stuff. This guy have a huge number of videos and a great content. You should check out his channel. He's got some really cool stuff. Number 4 in the list is Electro Boom. This guy is crazy, but believe me, he knows what he's doing. You will find him testing current on his own tongue, exploding his own components, but he will teach you a lot. This channel have more than 3.51 million subscribers with 8 very cool playlists that says a lot about his content. His content will not let you bore in electronic stuff. This channel is worth a visit. Number 3 is the Afrotech Mods. This channel have a more than 644k subscribers with 8 dedicated playlists. His content is full of tutorial of projects. He also have made many videos on teaching fundamentals of electronics. He covers circuits, components, and also the things like sensor in his channel. You should not miss this channel, and don't miss his servo ledger video. You're gonna love that one. Number 2 is the EEV blog. I don't know how he pronounce it, but I do know one thing, that he makes really great content. You can't count the number of videos that he have made. This channel have more than 722k subscribers with uncountable number of playlists. He covers almost everything. He teaches fundamentals, will also tell you about the components, product teardowns, even the product reviews. He also covers the tutorials on fundamentals of electronics. You know what? Just don't miss this channel. And the number 1 is here. Number 1 in the list is the Great Scott. The name itself says it. He is really great. This channel have more than 1.32 million followers. Now you can guess the content. He posts all about electronics. His content include electronic basics, electronic projects, 3D printing, and some cool do-it-yourself projects. He have covered almost every component used in breadboard and made a detailed tutorial on them. He also covers the sensors and electronic devices. He also reviews them. He will tell you a lot. If you are a complete beginner, he is gonna help you a lot. And if you know a lot of stuff already, still you can go to this channel. You're gonna love his content. So that's it for this video. You can find all the channels link in the description. If you have any suggestion for other channels, please put that in comments so that others can learn from them. And check out our amazing playlist on rendering and our modeling